Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to use Snipping Tool on MacBook. And for the people who don't know what is the Snipping Tool is a tool included in your Mac that give you the option to take a screenshot for only one part from your screen. To use that tool, you just need to click on the Shift, Command, and 4. Shift, Command, and 4. For example, we are going to take a screenshot for the Apple logo. And as you can see, our computer took this screenshot. I will show it to you on the desktop. This is our screenshot. I will take another screenshot to show you more. For example, we are going to take only the text. We click on the Shift, Command, and 4. Shift, Command, 4. And now we select the part that we want to take screenshot on it. And we took the screenshot. As you can see, we took the screenshot for the text. It will appear in our desktop, and here it is. I wish that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.